Hey everyone, welcome to AeginaCraft. Today's video we're gonna talk about sand. You know, it's small, it's coarse, and gets in everywhere. Whatever the quote was. Anyway, so many of you bugged me to actually get started on selling the sand project. So basically you have to know that I collect sand from one specific place on the beach where it contains a lot of seashells, crustaceans, and small bits and bobs which are actually very nice to look at, and it also have some sand in it too, like smaller particles. So what I'm saying is I played with the idea that maybe one day I sell some of my own stock. And how I make my stock is also very simple. I basically collect the special sand with the seashells in it. Then I'll bring it home, lay it out on a tray, bake it, then get rid of all the organic bits and bobs of it, clean it in alcohol, then let it dry, and then I'm using it in my art pieces. Let me show you in what. So, sorry about the noise, because right now everybody decided to start moving at the same time, again, obviously, when I'm recording. So this is basically what I'm working with. These are the teeny tiny seashells in the sand. Okay, not the big ones. The big ones I picked one by one, but these teeny tiny ones are in it, and that's how I collect it, as you can see. And I make these little trays. It's bloody heavy though. So to the task. So I have a bunch of sand right now with me, which is about the general 1 liter container. This is about 200 milliliters of it, and when you put it on a scale, bonjour, you put it on the scale, this is 410 grams. So basically this much, which is about not even a finger joint deep, it's about half a kilo. So I was thinking to sell it by the kilo, because that's gonna give you enough to actually have some projects with. Okay, and selling it by the kilo gonna cost you, let me check the prices for that, give me a second. Alright, so I'll just show you what's on the screen. So you guys are usually in zone 2, and sending you, for example, this is a maximum weight 200 grams, or 2 kilos. Sending you a kilo is anywhere between 15 to 21 euros, depending on what kind of packaging I have to provide. So with 1 kilo is already start from 15 euros just for shipping, plus I don't know, 5 euros for packaging, that's 20 euros. And I'm gonna fit it for about, so I need to go pick it, clean it, remove all the particles, use alcohol, bake it. So I'm gonna quit it for about, I don't know, like 3-4 hours. So I was thinking to get 20 euro per kilo for the sand plus the shipping, but that all comes to like 35 to 40 euros per kilo. Now, to be honest with you, I think it's a little bit overpriced. I wouldn't pay like 40 euros for a kilo of sand. Doesn't matter where it comes from. But the shipping is extortionately expensive for a kilo. I don't know the price. I really don't know, because it has to be worth it for me too. And I'm gonna like get in the car, get there, dig it out, fuck with it for hours. And yeah, I can do it in volume, like I can do 10 kilos at the same time, you know. But still it's gonna take a day away. So I can sell it for at least 10 euros per kilo. I need 10 euros minimum to make back the money I'm actually spending on it. So this is gonna be more like a I'm not making any money on it thing, but at least I'm giving you something. And that would cost you about 30 euros per kilo, and almost 20 is just packaging and shipping on that. So I want to run this by you. What do you think? What should we do? Should we just wing it and put it on the market for 30 euros per kilo, or how should I go about this? What do you think? Because this is pretty good sand. It's pretty decent, you know. But you can get it from the wholesaler, from China market as well. That's not hand dug in Greece by me. So I honestly don't know what to do with it. Look, I put it in an experiment back in the day. So honestly, I have no idea what price to put it on this. I'm happy to put it on the website, you know, per kilo, but you guys need to tell me like how much does it worth? Because if it's like, if you want to pay like less than 20 euros on it, then it literally doesn't worth it. Then I'm not just giving it away for free, I'm actually paying for shipping. So yeah, let me know in the comment section, guys, please, 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 for the love of God, if you've seen this video, if you're watching this video, talk to me in the comment section. Even if you don't want to buy it, just give me your viewpoint, your vision, your 2 cents, whatever country you were in, but just let me know. Okay, now I'm gonna leave it at this for now. I'm gonna give this video a week. We're gonna read through the comments, and then I'm gonna either make an update or act accordingly. No, I'm gonna make an update video, but we're gonna act accordingly. You know, we're gonna price this thing up and figure out how I can get you some sand, so that I'm getting paid for my time and we're not wasting money on shipping. Anyway, thanks very much for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.